Write an inequality involving x that describes the numbers graphed. In part A, we've got a number line, and identified in blue, we see the numbers that are to the left of 0 and not including 0. This parenthesis indicates that 0 is not included in the solution interval. So an inequality that describes these numbers in blue would be all numbers x that are less than 0. For part B, here we see identified numbers that are greater than -2, but less than or equal to 3. The bracket indicates that 3 is included. The parenthesis here indicates that -2 is not included. So our inequality statement will look like this. We'll include all values x that are greater than -2 and less than or equal to 3.